Hi, I'm the Big Waz, and this is a tutorial for manually installing Natsumi Browser on Floorp with Windows. Opening Floorp, we can see that it's bare bones. Natsumi is not installed. Let's talk about the things you need to know before we get started. You have to know your root profile. Go ahead and open the folder. You're going to need to paste things into it in a second. You're going to need to download the zip file for Natsumi Browser. You're also going to need to download the zip file for FxAutoConfig. Get both of those downloaded and extracted. The last bit of information you'll need is from the Natsumi Browser repo. Go ahead and copy this block of text here to your clipboard. Go ahead and close Floorp and opening the following folders. You're going to need to open your profile folder and then go into Chrome. You'll also need to open your program files Ablaze Floorp folder. Then you want to open the Natsumi folder that you extracted earlier and the FxAutoConfig folder that you extracted earlier. We're going to start by copying some files from the Natsumi folder back into your Firefox profile folder. We'll go with user content, userchrome, Natsumi config, and the Natsumi folder. Control-C to copy. Paste those in here. Next, go to your FxAutoConfig folder, go into Profile, go into Chrome, and copy these 4 folders. Control-C to copy, Control-V to paste. Go back to your FxAutoConfig folder, go up until you get to the program folder, copy defaults and config.js, and we're going to put it into program files Ablaze Floorp. Go ahead and replace the files if they exist. Next, go back into your profiles Chrome folder, open up Utils, right-click chrome.manifest, edit with Notepad, and we're going to replace it with that block that we copied earlier. Go ahead and save it, close, and now you should have Natsumi completely installed. As you can see, my theme showed back up. If we look in settings, you can see Natsumi is installed.